I would like to talk about what is your artistic purpose? Do you feel connected to your artistic purpose? Or is this a brand new question that you've never asked yourself before? In this video, I will explore what artistic purpose means and what it means to stay connected to it, no matter what kind of artist you are. Every artist feels that deep, burning desire to create. But let's be honest, sometimes in the grind of trying to fulfill your dream and going after your career, doesn't matter what kind of artist you are, the hustle and bustle of trying to make art your livelihood can cloud that very spark that caused us to fall in love with being an artist in the first place. You know that fire. The first time you stepped on stage, or you stepped in front of a camera, or the first time you created a sketch or a painting, or made a sculpture, or built something. Whatever art you created creates a fire inside that we never forget. That fire is vital, and it's vital to stay connected to that energy because it represents the energy of your artistic purpose. The more we can tap into that raw passion, the more fulfilling our work becomes. And the daily grind, as frustrating as it is, will be a little less frustrating. So there are 3 ways that I recommend you try to stay connected to this fire and stay connected to your artistic purpose. Number 1, reflect. In the rush of everyday life, it's easy to forget why you started this journey. But if you're an artist, sometimes you need to pause. Reflect. What are you longing for to express through your art? What moments in your life have stirred things up inside of you? Was there another form of art that opened you up? Like a piece of music that just felt like the world was opening up around you. Reflecting, it can help open up your inspiration and help you fill your artistic well. Filling up your artistic well doesn't necessarily mean engaging with the art form that you love to do. It might be something else. It might be going on a long walk. It might be going to an art museum. It might be going to a concert, or just grabbing your journal and heading to the beach. In a world full of distractions, reflecting, especially as an artist, is not only a luxury, but it's a necessity. Number 2, expand. As an artist, you have a powerful role in society. This is the truth. The world needs art. Think about it. Going to the theater or watching a movie or seeing an art exhibit, it's not just something that happened in modern times. It extends all the way back to ancient history. And if you're an actor, actors hold a mirror up to society. If you are an artist, you must never forget the history that comes before you and learn about that history and meditate on that history, read about them, learn about their craft and what their relationship to their society was at that time period. Fill yourself up and expand your understanding and your connection to what it means to be an artist. When we are so concerned with our daily grind and making a living, getting results, and just trying to be the best that we can be, sometimes it traps us and creates a limitation around us where we can sometimes feel isolated or alone. Remember those that have come before you and think about them, celebrate them, and get inspiration from them. This brings me to number 3. Step in. If you're thinking about the artists who have come before you, many of those individuals who have achieved success and prominence in their work, they didn't just talk about it, they lived in their art. And they lived in their art with intensity, passion, and purpose every single day. Remember that every single moment is another opportunity to step in and to follow through with what you love to do. Never forget the fire of your artistic purpose. The world is waiting for you to bring it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website, as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.